In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a notes database fast in Notion. We're going to keep this really simple and rely on a pre-made template so you don't have to design anything from scratch. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use notes database that you can start typing into right away. First, open Notion and go to your home view. This is usually the main screen you see when you log in, where your recent pages and workspaces are listed. Make sure you're in the workspace where you actually want this notes database to live, especially if you have multiple workspaces for personal and work use. From the home view, look toward the area where Notion suggests templates or shows you ways to start new pages. You'll see an option that opens the template library. Click on that to expand your template options. Next, find and click on More Templates. This takes you beyond the quick suggestions and into the full library of templates that Notion offers. From there, choose the option that says something like More in Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you can browse community and partner templates that go beyond the default set. Once you're in the Marketplace, go to the search bar at the top, click into the search field, and type in Notes Database. Take a moment to check your spelling so you actually get the right results. After you type it in, confirm the search so Notion can pull up all the templates related to that term. You should now see a list of templates designed for capturing and organizing notes. Look through the results and locate the template that matches the notes database shown in this guide. When you've found it, click on it to open the template's detail page. This page usually shows you a preview of how the database looks, along with a short description of how it works. On that template page, click the Add button. Notion will now ask where you want to add this template. Choose the option to create a new team space so your notes database has its own dedicated area. This is helpful for keeping your notes separate and organized, especially if you plan to share them with others later. After you've added it to a new team space, click on See Template. This opens the full template inside your workspace. From here, you can start customizing properties, adding new notes, and rearranging views to match your workflow, all built on a solid, pre-made notes database structure.